it is looking so nice out there right now. We've got sunshine, just some high clouds off to the north. There is a reason that there are clouds off to the north, and I will show you why that is in a second as well. 66 degrees here in Providence right now. It's a little bit warmer in the city. This is the TF Green temperature, so you'd probably say we're probably close to 70 here in the city right now. Southeast winds at 14 miles per hour. So that is a pretty whipping sea breeze out there, and the reason for such a big temperature discrepancy across the area right now. Dew point's at 58. Let's talk about the dew point. It's been a while since we have. Yeah, probably haven't heard me talk about the dew point, say those words since, I don't know, maybe late last September when it was really still on the humid side as we got set to head into fall. But 58 would imply that it's pretty comfortable out there. Typically when you get over 60, that's when things start to feel a little bit on the uncomfortable side. And we will be in this sticky territory over the next few days. I don't think we'll get into the 70s and 80s where it really can feel oppressive at times. But let's take a look at your future dew points right here. Again, we're on the cusp of it today. Now, as we head into tomorrow, you're going to start to see a little bit more of these yellow colors popping up again, indicating those 60-degree readings. Now, look what happens when I jump into Thursday. We're talking about dew points well up into the 60s. So it will be very, very uncomfortable at times out there with the humidity. And again, the warmer your temperatures are, the more you will feel that humidity, the more evident it will become. We do see the approach of a cold front on Thursday, and that's one of the reasons that humidity is going to get a little bit of a spike here before then dropping and turning much more comfortable. Friday, guys, if you have a day where you want to be outside all day long, if you happen to have a day off this week, Friday is the day. It is going to be still warm, still on the sunny side. And look at these dew points in the 40s and 50s, feeling really, really nice on Friday after that front comes by. Again, look at those temperatures right now. We're in the 70s and 80s the further north you get, but 60s along the water and even a few 50s right now. Chatham at 58, Nantucket at 55, the block also at 58 because of that wind coming off the water. Now, I mentioned the clouds off to the north. There are some thunderstorms rolling through northern portions of Massachusetts right now up into the Vermont-New Hampshire border, right along the 91 corridor right now. And you see those yellow boxes, those are severe thunderstorms, but they will stay well far to the north of us and will be mostly sunny until we get to Thursday. Again, warm, humid air coming in. We do have that cool sea breeze to contend with. This is the storm I'm talking about right here. Just blew through portions of western Iowa, and look at all of these, not only yellow boxes, but the red boxes. Those are tornado warnings right now. That's the same energy that's coming our way. And while it won't be as severe by the time it gets here, we do have the threat for some isolated severe storms. You can see the green coloring here, and again, I'll step off so you can see it's pretty much for the entire area. That is a marginal risk level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That for us would mean some elevated levels of wind gust potential as well as small to medium hail. The wind gust, as opposed to the last storms that came through where the hail was the greatest risk, and boy, did that ever verify. This time around, it's the wind gust potential. Flooding risk low and tornado risk even lower. So good news there. But that will be really our only rain chance for this week. Then as we look ahead, again, Friday, as I mentioned, a fantastic day. Saturday and Sunday as well. Looks like Memorial Day weekend starting off lovely with temperatures in the upper 70s and low humidity. Unfortunately, as we look ahead to Memorial Day itself, we're looking at 70 degrees, which not bad. Our average high today is 70 for today's date. However, it is unfortunately going to come along with cloudier skies and even a few showers along the way. I don't know if I'd use the W word, the washout word right now, Tiffany, but if you have the option of maybe having your barbecue any day during the weekend, I think Saturday and Sunday are going to be much, much better than what we're looking at for Monday right now. Yeah, but we have lots of parades around here. I don't think those are going to get rained out or washed out or to the level where you wouldn't want to go to them. I think it'll be okay, but it's just not going to be as nice of a day.
Plus, a lot of folks have the day off as well, so hopefully, maybe it'll change. Maybe
we'll see. I mean, Sunday was looking a little less than stellar yesterday, and that changed for the better today, so we'll hold out some hope for Monday.
Yeah, fingers